Okay, here at the Maiden of Angry Bird version 3. Come up an absolute treat, looks beautiful, 700 grams exactly. I've got the trim set to 0. We've got a beautiful day. I'm running a 1400 kV motor and a 9x6 prop. Got plenty of ventilation going in the front and exit at the back. Balanced up really nice. So let's just see how we go. Easy launch. Oh, that's quiet. Climbing into the wind there, no worries. Wow, that's half throttle. You probably can't see it, but it's looking fantastic. I'll try and bring it down for a low pass. But it's virtually hands off already. I'm under half throttle. Here we go. That is silent. A little bit of treetop turbulence that we always get. Here we go here. It's basically silent. I'm under half throttle here, just testing it. Yeah, it gets the waggles. Once you get up near that treetop level where the turbulence is, it just happens all the time with these wings. It's only 920mm wingspan, 700 grams. It's super quiet. Now those trims must be right because it's still climbing a fraction, so it could have a little bit more down trim in the sub trim. I'll just try some aerobatics up there. Let's start with a nice easy loop. Here we go. Easy loop. Easy roll. Inverted, roll over, here we go. Well, that's handling it beautiful. Could do with a little bit more down trim. CG is spot on here, a little bit more down trim. Get that with the sub trim. Take her up and see how she glides. Okay, this is downwind. The CG is spot on. Glide. Running a 40 amp Energy Energy Plus ESC, so just going to check the current draw and see if I can run a bigger prop. Might be able to crank it out a bit faster, but this is just brilliant. Can't even hear it. Try to do some more lower passes, the wind's picking up. This is just fantastic. That is silent.